Here's an example of how we subtract polynomial expressions. So remember, anytime we're subtracting polynomials, the first thing we have to do is go through and take our second polynomial and change all of its signs and change the operation to addition. So now, the first one stays the same. It's still 6 x cubed plus 4x minus 3. But now instead of minus, it's going to be plus. And then we change the signs of all of these. So instead of positive 2x squared, it's negative 2x squared. Instead of minus 3x, it's plus 3x. Instead of minus 2, it is plus 2. At this point, it becomes identical to an addition problem. So we can do it one of two ways. We can either line them up vertically and then combine our like terms. Remember, if we're going to do this, we will need to leave blank spaces for our x squared term here. And then here, we want to make sure that we lined up our linear terms and our constant terms. Okay, and so now we just go down the column, combine your like terms. 6x squared has nothing else like it. I'm sorry, 6x cubed has nothing else like it. So it says 6x cubed. I have 0x squareds in the first one. Subtract 2x squareds, I get negative 2x squared. 4x plus 3x is 7x. And negative 3 plus 2 is going to be negative 1. And of course, we need to classify this. This one would be a cubic. Again, look at the degree, which is a 3. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, which makes it a polynomial. Now, the other way is we can use our table. Remember, in our farthest over row or column, we put our largest exponent. This is where we're going to put x to the third terms. In this one, we would put things that are the next smallest, which are, of course, our x squared terms. In this one, we would put our next smallest, which are our x terms. And then over here, we put our numbers. Remember, we're still looking at this polynomial expression where we have changed from subtraction to addition and changed all of our signs. We have 6x cubed, 0x squareds, 4x's, and negative 3 ones. In our second polynomial, we have 0x cubed, negative 2x squared, 3 x's, and positive 2 ones. 6 plus 0 is 6. X cubed. Zero minus 2 is negative 2. X squared. 4 plus 3 is 7x. And negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. We'll get the same answer whichever way we choose. So anytime that you have to subtract polynomials, keep the first polynomial the same, change the operation to addition, and change the signs of the second polynomial. After that, you just add.